Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1957 Ford Fairlane 500. This is definitely a really nice car we got here at Skyway Classics, featuring the yellow exterior, the old plain Jane white wall tires, even with the rims painted the same color as the car. As you can see, for the interior you got that black and white combination, the very nice bench seat. Everything on the gauges looked stock as it was back in 1957. They kept the old radio but added an additional cassette radio underneath. You even got the old horn with the old steering wheel. Very loud and very proud. Best thing about this car was the fact of how it was taken care of. Fun fact, it was actually owned to a man who had a big collection for almost over 34 years. So that's why this car runs, looks, and acts as nice as it is. Underneath the hood you got that 312 V8 Ford motor. Very nice, one of a kind. In fact, even going up the road now, she's very smooth. Even looks better than even this minivan up here. We definitely look better than them. But for now, we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift. So stay tuned to see the underneath.